the McDonald's Kiddie Crew Explorer Edition. And may good news po kami para sa inyo. You guys will actually be the first in Cebu to experience our workshop activities. And 1, 2, 3, Kiddie Crew Explore! Okay, good job everybody!
Say hi, can you say hello, kids? Hi! Hi! Are you ready to join the Kiddie Crew Workshop? Okay, very good. So again, I am Ashley Santillan, and allow me to share with you some things about the Kiddie Crew Workshop. So I am very happy to be here because I am happy to share that we are on our 27th year for the Kiddie Crew Workshop. Anong ibig sabihin nun? May mga kaibigan ako na graduate ng Kiddie Crew Workshop nung mga bata pa sila, lahat sila nag-join ng Kiddie Crew Workshop. Tapos ngayon, kaibigan ko pa rin sila. We've been lifelong friends. So gusto niyo ba makamit ng new friends today? Kids? Are you already friends? Did you just meet today? Wow, okay, may new friends na sila. Hindi pa tayo nagsisimula. That's very good. So, this year, the theme for the workshop is it's all about exploration. So, anong ibig sabihin ng exploration? We're gonna go on an adventure. Kids, we're gonna go on an adventure today. So, we will have 2 adventures in store for you. Ang unang adventure natin is learning how to be part of the McDonald's team by making McDonald's cheeseburgers. Ooh. So that's one adventure, and you really have to listen to your ates when they teach you how to make cheeseburgers. Kasi one value that we are teaching you kids is discipline. You have to learn how to follow instructions. Okay, what's your name, little kid? Greg? Drake. Okay, Drake. When you go to McDonald's, what do you like doing? You eat cheeseburger? Are you excited to make your own cheeseburger later? Yeah. Okay, sige. Okay, thank you, Drake.